So hi, in this video, we will walk through how to navigate the OKX app smoothly. I will guide you through setting up your account, managing deposits and withdrawals, and executing crypto trades. So timestamp for each section will be provided in the description below. Once you've downloaded the apps from your peripheral app store, all we need is your email address to kickstart this account setup process. Before diving in, however, we will need to address a few security measures and complete our KYC, know your customer details. KYC simply verifies your identity to OKX, confirming you are a real person and disclosing your country of residence. We will walk through this step, which typically require an ID card or passport from your country, along with a selfie to verify or provide the ID. So for new concepts to OKX, I will include a link below where you can access deposits and trading bonuses for new users. These bonuses tend to vary each month, so it is worth checking the details via the link if you are new. Taking the advantage of these bonuses and sweetens the deals when setting on your account, so why not stand the bonus along the way? Under the referral code, if you are interested in a sweet 20% commission kickback rate, just type in FEEBACK on the screen now as your referral codes. Just click on sign up now. Once you're logged into your account and have your email address set up, navigate to the top left corner where it's here, where you can find these 9 dots. Click on them, and at the top you should see your email address listed and your username. Simply click on it. So in my case, it shows verified, but for you it may say unverified. Click on it and then process to complete our identity verification process. So let me guide you through the identity verification process. Click on verified now. Do the individual verification and follow the instruction on the screen and choose your ID tab. I will choose national ID card. Click on next. So for this process, even you do it on your computer, but you still need to complete your verification through the OKX app. So you can scan the QR code now by your phone or by your iPad. So now when you scan your QR code, you need to follow the instruction on the screen. So click on start verification and just follow the instruction like upload the front of your national ID card. Click on next. And now you will need a liveness check.
眨下眼，左右摇头。
So now you will see that your identity already verifies, which means you already complete your identity verification. Once verified, it should display a confirmation message. If not, follow the prompt to complete the verification process. But from there, you can then trade crypto and get money in and out of the platform. So while you're still in the user center, I highly recommend adjusting some security preferences. So click on security here, then navigate to security center. So from here, you can set up passkey, which are new standards for account logins. I suggest enabling this feature as it utilizes your Apple or Google biometrics for login authentications, eliminating the need for a password and providing added security against potential hacks. So once enabled, you will use your passkey instead of the password for logins. I've already set up one passkey on my iPad. It is seamlessly integrated into the login process. And furthermore, you can also use passkeys with the OKX wallet, which I will demonstrate later in the video to securely send crypto. It is an incredibly robust security measures and I highly recommend activating it. And additionally, you can have the option to enable the authenticated apps for added security. So for this one, this requires entering a 60-digit code, then refreshing every 60 seconds for important actions. While this is a good option, considering that OKX supports passkey, which offers stronger security, the authenticated apps become somewhat redundant. Nevertheless, you can configure your setting according to your preferences. So now let's take a quick look at how the OKX app is organized. On the home page, you will find information about your favorites and high model trading coins. While that's useful, our main focus will be on the assets section, which is here. Click on here. So to access your assets, tap on the bottom right corner. Here, how it's laid out. The first one is overview. This section displays all the cryptocurrency you hold on the platform along with your balance. You can use this to deposit, withdraw, or transfer assets between accounts. Internal transfers are both free and instantaneous. And the second one is funding accounts. This is where your cryptocurrency cryptocurrencies reside if you're not actively trading them. You can split your assets between funding and trading accounts. Funding is essentially where your cryptocurrency sits idle. Where you deposit crypto, it may initially go into your funding account until you decide to trade. And next is trading account. Here, your cryptocurrencies are either in orders waiting to be filled or as part of open orders. This is where active trading takes place. So the last one is growth accounts. So growth accounts, these features allows you invest funds onto the platforms, potentially earning interest. You can also stake cryptocurrency here. These are the different accounts, and you can fully transfer assets between them within OKX. And additionally, there is a discover tab. If you are searching for a specific cryptocurrency, you can use the search function here. Simply tap on the search icons in the top right corner, and you will find popular search. Clicking on any of this takes you to the trading screen where you can manage all your assets across different accounts. So now let's discuss buying crypto or depositing fiat currency into the app. This process may vary depending on your country's bank system. Generally, there are two main methods: card payments. If you have a credit card or debit card, you can use it for transaction. Second one will be bank transfer. You can send money directly from your bank or banking app like Wise or Revolut. So to initiate a purchase, locate the buy icons on the main screen, which is here. So from there, you will have two main options: buying cryptos or P2P transactions. So if you choose to buy crypto directly, select the assets you wish to purchase, enter the amount, and select the payment methods. Bank transfer is usually the cheapest option. Alternatively, P2P trading involves third-party payment purchase. So click on here. So for this purchase, acts as an intermediary, facilitating the exchange of crypto for fiat currency. In many cases, bank transfer are used for these methods as well. So once you initiate a payment, the crypto is held in the scrolls until the payment is confirmed. Now you can just enter the amount you want to trade. So for bank transfers, you will receive the necessary bank details and payment references. It is crucial to include this reference when making the payments. You may also need to provide proof of payment such as screenshot. So OKX will then transfer the purchasing crypto from the grow account to your account. You can also deposit crypto into the app from another platforms. Many individuals have trusted fiat currency on run and prefer converts their fiat currency into stable coins like USDT or USDC. This can then be transferred into an app like OKX, as the trading fees are often lower compared to the other on-ramp. So here is how it works. So now we need to click the deposit button within the apps. Click on here. It will prompt you to select which crypto you want to deposit. So for many stable coins like USDT are a common choice, but you can select the desired crypto you want to transfer. So I will select USDT here. So now you need to choose the network you want to use for the deposits. If you are transferring USD from a different application, ensuring that both the sending and receiving platforms use the same blockchain network. You can't send across different networks. So for example, if you have USDT on Binance and want to transfer it to OKX, make sure both platforms support the same network. Check the supporting networks on both platforms and select most cost-effective option. So for example, if TRC1 is supported with the lowest fees on USDT, choose that. I will choose that as well. So then it verifies that OKX also supports the choosing network. Once confirmed, copy your OKX address for the selected network. I will copy here. Then just paste and copy the address into the sending platforms and initiate our transactions. And choose the send network, TRC1, ensuring that you are sending the crypto to your OKX address over the correct network. So once the transfer is complete, the crypto will be deposited into your OKX account. It will typically go into your funding account. And from there, you can transfer it to your trading account. To begin trading, simply navigate to the transfer sections, which is here. Select the amount you wish to transfer, confirm the transactions, and it will be instantly available in your trading account. Now, you can use the deposited crypto to trade within the OKX platform, whether buying or selling crypto assets. So now, let's process by clicking on the trade button, which is here, located at the center bottom of the screen. So upon clicking, we are presenting with the option to selecting the assets we wish to trade. Here's what you need to know. So if you have utilized the buy feature and acquiring the crypto you tend to hold, such as Bitcoin or USDT, through the methods like bank transfer, that's perfectly fine. These assets are now in your account and you own them. Alternatively, many individuals trade crypto using stablecoin. stablecoins. They hold stablecoins in their account and use their values typically equivalent to the US dollar to buy or sell the other assets. So we can search for a trading pair, which is here. For example, the pair Bitcoin USDT signify trading Bitcoins against the Tether stablecoins. By clicking on this, we can explore various trading pairs available on OKX. Most cryptos are trading against stablecoins like USDT or USDC. Suppose that we want to trade Ethereum, we can see Ethereum trading pair against USDT and USDC in spot tradings. We note that there are more advanced trading options like derivatives and margin trading available, which we won't dive into in this video. So once we've selected the trading pair, we decide whether to buy or sell. For instance, if we have stable coins and wish to buy Bitcoins, we select buy. Conversely, if we are selling Bitcoins, we are initially selling it for Tether or USDT. So next, we need to choose the type of order we want to execute. There are various order types available, but two main ones are market orders and limit order, which is here for the market order. So similar to exchanging currency at the airport, you don't set the exchange rate. Instead, you indicate the amount you wish to exchange and get the best available rate at the time of executions. And for the limit order, so with this type, you set a specific price at which you are willing to buy or sell. The trade will only execute if the market reach your specified price. So by understanding this option, you can effectively trade crypto assets on OKX according to your preferences and market conditions. So on the right hand side, you will notice the current exchange rate between USDT and Bitcoin, so which is around 67,400. This means that purchasing one whole Bitcoin usually need to spend approximately $67,500. However, you are not obligated to buy an entire Bitcoin. You can purchase any fractions of it. Let's say you want to buy $15 worth of Bitcoin. Just simply put 15 here and claim buy Bitcoin. So the numbers highlighted in red represent sellers offering Bitcoin for sales at various price. When you place a market order, the system automatically matches you with the best available offer in the market. So for example, if the best offer is 67,500, the system will execute the trade at the price, so allowing you purchase to go through instantly. Alternatively, a more professional approach involves using a limit order, where you can specify the price you are willing to pay. On select limit order options, you will notice that you can now input desired price. So for me, let's say you choose a price of 66,000 per Bitcoin and intend to purchase $10. By specifying the amount in dollars, you are essentially telling the system to buy Bitcoins for you at 66,000 per Bitcoin with the total purchase of $10. However, if the current price is 67,500, your purchase price is too low and the trade won't execute immediately. So upon confirming the order, click on buy Bitcoin here, confirm. So upon confirming the order, you will see it listed at the bottom as a pending order. Although it is not executed immediately due to the price discrepancy, it remains active in the system. If the market price eventually reaches 66,000, the order will be executed. You can add your order by clicking on the add icon next to the cancel option, which is here. You can adjusting your order price slightly below the market price, increase the likelihood of it being executed. This strategy accounts for the price fluctuations and increase the chance of your order being filled. If you are looking to sell to crypto and cash out of the platform, here is what you need to do. So firstly, navigate to the assets you wish to sell. Simply search for it, click on sales, and you will see your balance on the platforms. So you will have the options to either execute a market order where the trade is done immediately or use a limit order. However, when selling, your limit order price should be above the current market price. So for example, if you set a limit order at 68,000, which is below the market price, it essentially functions as a market order. So instead, set a limit order above the current market price, such as 70,000, indicating you are willing to sell at that price or higher. So after inputting your order detail, confirm the sales orders, click on confirm. And for example, like here, if the price is too high, the order won't execute immediately, so you can click on cancel here. So alternatively, you can opt for a market order, which sells your crypto at the best available price in the market. This type of order ensuring an immediate trade, and just put the amount you want to sell and click on sales Bitcoin and click on confirm. convert. So once the sales order is executed, your Bitcoin balance will decrease and the corresponding amount will appear in your stablecoins balance. So now if you want to convert your crypto BAT into fiat currency and transfer it to your bank or payment app, follow this step. So first, you need to ensure the assets are in your funding account, so you can transfer that from your trading account to the funding account. So just click on transfer here. So just doing the transfer from your trading account to funding account and click on convert. So then you can process with withdraw this fund. Select the option to switch your fiat currency. You will have various options available depending on your regions. You may have P2P tradings or direct bank links. So select the appropriate options for your needs. If using P2P tradings, just click on here and just click on sales. Then you can just input the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to exchange for fiat currency. So once confirm the transaction, ensuring your bank details are accurate. Once completed, you can convert the cryptocurrency into fiat currency, which will be sent to your designated payments method. Additionally, OKX offer a robust Web3 wallet features, providing added security and convenience. The exchange sessions handle centralized trading, while the wallet session allows you to manage your assets securely. So remember to check the description for further information, and thank you for watching. If you have any question, feel free to reach out. Cheers!